Hey guys, welcome back to GreenTGarden. It's early in the morning. Today I'm going to show you guys a real simple, easy way how to prune a tomato plant, guys. And I'm going to show you the simple way first so you guys understanding how to find the sucker is what they call the sucker of the plant that you don't need. It just like sucks out extra nutrition and causing the plant from not producing more tomatoes or better. And then there's, you could get rid of some leaves. So let me show you guys right here on my tomato plant so you guys could see. So my son Jack's in the back. Jack, say hi. Alright guys, so this is one of my many tomato plants. I have to fix this one up. I have to get some sticks I ordered from Amazon. I'm waiting right now. But now I'm gonna show you guys 2 steps. How to find the suckers and how to take off a couple leaves that you really don't need from your plants. As you see, we have our flowers coming up. We're gonna get tomatoes there soon. Okay, 1 second, bud. And if you look right here, let me just move this up. So we have the main branch, the main stem of this tomato plant, and it comes up here. Then you have a branch, but between the branch right here, you can see that little plant leaf, whatever it is, the little stem right here, unnecessary stuff. So this is the sucker. So basically what you could do, guys, you could just pull it downward. If you pull it up and it's a smaller plant, you could be careful, you could damage your plant. So either just bend it downward, and that's what we're looking at right there. Or if you're afraid of pulling it with your hands, the best pruning shear right here. So I'm gonna find you guys another one. I'm pretty sure this plant has more. Oh, just found the big one, guys. So this is the big one, guys, right here. Look at this. You look at it right here. This is my main stem coming up. This is the other leaf branch that pops out with a leaf. And then you come right here up. Look, that's gonna be some tomatoes right there. But this right here, look at this. Look how big he got. So which means he used up so much nutrition from the plant, took away a lot from the tomatoes. So what you could do, you could easily come and just bring your prune right there and clip that right there. So this was a big sucker. I hope we could say that on YouTube, can we? Sucker. The next pruning tip that I will show you, make sure your plant is at least have 6 leaves. Some people said 4, I would say 6. At least 6 leaves coming up before you do this next step, because you do want to make sure your plants have some leaves and some support going on. So as you see coming up from the bottom here, I have this guy right here and this branch right here. So basically I have a lot of branch and leaf. So this one, we don't really need it. So come right here, clip right here, clip. So as you can see, and there you go. So coming up, looking about maybe up to like 6 inches from the ground of the soil, I have no leaf. This one here, there's another big one. I'm gonna cut him out because I want to keep it at least 6 inches from the bottom. We really don't need, but cut that out. So we really don't need the bottom leaves, guys. I would say keep your plant at least about 10 inches up first, and make sure to have about at least about 6 leaves and up, before start really pruning your plant. You want to let it grow a little bit first before pruning or making any cut to your plant. So the suckers, guys, is always between the main branch and the stem coming out. See, like I'll show you guys where the tomatoes grow so you guys know where it is and you don't have to freak out right now. Let's go to another plant. I just want to show you guys real quick so you guys could know the difference. So basically right here, you're gonna have the flowers, which is gonna be turning into tomatoes. But right here, so close, is a sucker. Look, see that? These guys are fitting in all over. So that's what happened when you leave your tomato plants and you really don't look right here. See that? You really don't take care of them a couple days. It's been about 4 days I didn't really come into the garden, so I paid a price now. So as you guys see right here, I do have this plant have some tomatoes coming up right now. And as you can see, the tomatoes, look right there, the branch are like on the stem. It's not between the groove of, it's not between the stem. So it's basically, it's not like here, because that's where you find the suckers. It's like coming up from the middle with another little branch with the flowers right there. So that's it coming up. So that's the big difference. So you look right here, there's another one. They're all over the place right now, and I'm not happy with them. So I just yanked these guys out. This tomato plant, I'm gonna do some trimming on this tomato plant. So as you can see, guys, with tomato plants, if you don't take care of them or you don't trim them or anything like that, these guys, they get out of hand. These guys grow, look, another big sucker right here. See that? Another one. So guys, there you go, simple pruning tip. You don't want to start pruning too early. Let your plant grow a little bit and then start pruning. You know, cutting out the suckers. You could start off with 2 lower bottom leaves, but then wait a little bit, and then as your plant grows, then keep watching it and pruning it till you get the best result for your tomatoes. Pruning helps a lot because it helps you grow faster and bigger tomato, guys, and the plant doesn't take up a lot more nutrition from suckers and unwanted leaves and stuff like that. Alright guys, so if this video was helpful, please give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's 100% free. I got tons of more tricks and tips from the garden, and if you're a new beginner, I'm going to leave a link up top. Click on it, check out more videos, and I have a ton more videos coming up, and I do have a lot of older videos. So go ahead and check that out, guys. Start up your garden, tips on your garden, every single thing all about your garden, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.